It is no secret what God can do, what is done for others, He'll do for you. With arms wide open, He'll pardon you. It is no secret what God can do. Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we're doing a series on miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples. So follow me, make we build with faith and go and trust God more and more. If you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go and right so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 6. One another day, Jesus go back at the Jew them church, and one man with one cripple hand dead. The Pharisee them watch Jesus like one hawk to see if him da go make the man better pan the Sabbath. So then could have something to say against him. So Jesus said to the man with the cripple hand, say, turn up in front of everybody. Then he asked the people, which one the law say we can do upon the Sabbath? For do good or for do bad? For save somebody life or for cause somebody for dead? But nobody never say a word. Jesus look round upon them and he did well vex and it on him to see how they hard is. So he said to the man, say, stretch out your hand. The man stretch out his hand and his hand get better. So same time the Pharisee them left out and go start plan with Herod follower them to kill Jesus. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.